Alright, we're going to be hydro dipping a shoe, and I'm going to show you how. So first, get your bucket of water, and then get your colors. I chose light blue, blue, yellow, and white. And of course, the thing that you're going to hydro dip. And make sure you cover the parts that you don't want to dip. So like the symbols or whatever. Alright, so then we're going to start spray painting. And we're just going to mix the colors around a little bit. After you get the thing out of the water.
The bug.
That doesn't want to come out. Alright, so you shake it a little bit, because that's what you do with spray paint. And then just spray a bunch of colors, mix them up a little bit. Dad doesn't want me to do it. And just like mix it up. And once you feel like it's ready, okay, can you do some white in the blue? And you can, once you think it's right, you gotta, yeah, that's good. That's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Any more colors? Yellows?
It's fine. Okay. Alright, then you should probably use a glove, or sandwich bag in our case. And you're gonna start dipping the shoe, and you're gonna dip it like right face on. And you have to find a good place like that is a good place. So you just dip it right on. Dip it more. You dip it until it's like fully submerged. And then you wipe away the paint around it, so it doesn't pick up any excess paint. Then you're supposed to come up with it straight on, but it's fine. And then there you go. That's one of the hydro dip shoes. And then we got another one. So then there you have it. You hydro dip your shoes. We're going to show you the results. All right. So this is the after result, and then you still have the tape on. So you have to let it dry for at least maybe 24 to 48 hours, just so it's completely dry. And then you take the tape off, and then it should be exactly how you want it. And there you have it. That's how you hydro dip something.